My newly discovered nature spot. Been finding out people don't know this is back here. Most people don't. And it's not even rural or anything like that. But it's right here under people's noses. Waterfalls over there. May have seen my video with the waterfalls. Can't see them from here, but you may be able to hear them, maybe. This is also where I found the deer. Shot the video of the deer. And Nilewa, it is beautiful. I want to catch this place when it's green. It's not fall. But I like it as is. Little gazebo area where I'm going, right there. It's really nice out here. What's crazy is in the middle of like office complexes, like businesses. But there's a forested area back here that they decided, I guess, to keep this as is, so to speak. It's right here in the midst of office complexes. There's different businesses around, you know, even a mall. Now here's the strange thing, or not so strange per se, but people don't come out here and enjoy this. As you see, nobody is out here. It is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Nobody is out here. Nobody takes advantage. Nobody's outside anymore, as the saying goes. Unfortunate. Yeah, I know that's Christmassy or whatever. Gotta appreciate the aesthetic though. The care they took to do this. See, like I said, buildings all around. But in this area, nature is appreciated and thrives. The deer may be coming out in a little bit.